everyone. Today we have a super exciting video, which is we are reviewing the Flower Knows Swan Lake collection. I think it's a really cool collection that they did, and so I am so excited to review it. I know it's a little late. It's not super recent since it's come out, but they are doing some sales right now, so hopefully this review can help you decide if you want to purchase these products. I also have a code with Flower Knows, which is Brooklyn5, and everything I mention will be linked down below, as well as my previous Flower Knows video if you are curious about their other products. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First of all, starting out with the collection Strong, this mirror. I recorded clips of all of the products up close so I can really show you. That way I don't have to be like awkwardly like holding it up for you. So this is gorgeous. I love this even more than the strawberry rococo one. Here is the strawberry rococo mirror in comparison. So the thing that is different is on this one, it's more of just like a print on there, and there are etchings like for the lines and stuff in the metallic color. But on this one, as I will pull up, there are these beautiful, like it looks like the swan is in water. There's also these cute little ballet dancers. So I mean, I love both of these, but I use this in almost every video I film because the mirror is actually really good on it. It's dirty right now, but yeah, it's just so cute. But I always get compliments on it, and I always have questions about where it's from. So highly recommend these mirrors. They're just so cute. They make you feel like a princess when you get ready, and if you're making an order, may as well get one, you know? This, so cute, you guys. So first of all, I love how they packaged everything with a cute little swan on it. I'll also have a clip of this one up close for you. This palette is so beautiful and detailed. I love the mother of pearl finish behind the swans, like how it just looks like they're in water. Even when you open up the palette, there are details around every single shade, and there's also writing on the bottom that says the dream that never ends, and I think that's really cute. I just love these shades. I feel like it's really easy to create a pinky everyday look, as you will see in a few minutes, but yeah, just a stunning, stunning palette. I love that they looked at every detail. And on the inside of this are these gorgeous pinky shades. It was different than the palettes I had purchased in the past. They also have a neutral one, and then they also have a black swan one that has like these beautiful dark shades. Like they have like a black in there, some metallic shades, and like a bright red. So I love that they were just super creative with this. Switching over to voiceover for a second, I'm using these two pink shades and just blending those into my crease. Okay, so upon blending this, good pigment and it blends really easily. These are lighter colors, so it's not gonna be like, bam, like neon, of course, but they are very true to what you see in the pan, so I like that. So hopefully you can see, you can get a good amount of color payoff with these. And I really like how vibrant the pink shades are. And then I'm gonna take this light pink shade here and kind of focus that on the inner corner. Just really opens up the eye in that area right there. Also just gonna kind of move that onto the brow bone as well. Then I'm gonna take this dark brown shade here and line my eyes with it. Now that brown did have some fallout, but it's a really soft brown color, so even though it looks dark in the pan, it's not too stark compared to the soft pinks on the eye. Like I feel like they actually did a good job with doing a soft brown for that. I like it. Now that we have the liner on, let's go in with the shimmer shades. So I want to use both. So why don't we try one on one eye and then one on the other, and then we'll kind of like mix them. I love doing that for some reason. We're gonna take this one, which kind of shifts from like a peachy gold to a pink. This shade was the reason I got this palette, honestly. You can even see on there. Oh, This is so gorgeous. I love the shimmer formula of these because they're very finely milled. So when they go on, they almost look like firework sparkles, like they look like sparks. Let me dim my lights down so you can see it a little bit better. Now let's try this shade, which is just like a true sparkly pink. Whoa, it almost looks like it has some silver glitter in there. Oh, what? I was not expecting that at all. Oh, what? I love that they're different because when you look in the pan, you're like, they don't look that different in color. They look pretty similar. No, they're their own thing, you know? So here's the difference. This one kind of shifts from pink to peach, and this one is like a pinky silvery glitter. I don't know which one I like more. We're gonna combine them, so it doesn't really matter, but I love both of those. That's just so much fun. I love it. Alrighty, so I'm back and I just put on lashes and mascara. So if you wanna know what lashes I'm wearing, I have been loving these. I did a whole review on these and how to apply them, but I've been wearing these a little differently. So I take the inner corner lash and the middle lash and I just put them on like a half lash. And I put them on top of my lashes since I'm not planning on wearing them for a long time. And I just love how they look. I love that these are completely customizable. So if you have bigger eyes, use the whole thing. If you have smaller eyes, you can even just use one. But I love how it looks. Next up, we have the blush. I realized I unintentionally bought the ones that match up with the color. Each palette, which this is really cool that they do, will have a different outer color, so it may be white or black or pink like this one, even like a peachy color. So I guess this one might actually be a peachy shade, but I just loved this color. And they have one that looks a lot like the Dior Rosy Glow blush, so if you're a fan of like that cool pink blush look, you'll love it. I just have so many of those and I've been loving peach blush, so I was like, let's try this. Another thing I want to talk about is this weight. The weight of this product is so good. Like it feels like weight was added to it to make it feel more luxurious. This is a little bit heavier than the palette, just slightly, but I like that they did that. And I also got this cute little brush. It looks similar to the others, except the others have like a flat top. So here is the brush from the strawberry line in comparison. It may have actually been the unicorn line. I'm actually not totally positive, but it's just more flat. And then this one is more rounded and has like a little ballet corset around it. I love that. I think that's just so cute that each detail has been thought of. Here is the blush up close. You can see all of the details on the packaging and the color of the blush as well as the imprint. I love, again, that every detail is thought of. It's just so beautiful, but I just really wanted you to see this in all its glory. Okay, so we're gonna dip in. This design's so cute. Each time I dip into something, my heart breaks just a little bit. Okay, now let's apply. That's a really pretty shade. These are so, I don't see any shimmer. Oh, I guess there's just a it's not shimmer, but it's kind of radiant because it doesn't look completely matte to me. It has like a little bit of glow. I feel like the subtle radiance it has to it is almost like an hourglass blush, just with the radiance and shimmer toned down. But it's a really unique formula, so I would definitely recommend the blush. I really, really love this. Next up, we have the lipstick, which I love that it's in a blue container. I love when they switch up the colors. So this also has like a cute corset on it, but this is the color. It's really, really beautiful. And this is supposed to have that like melting texture. It's a lot more pink than I expected, but oh my gosh, that feels so good. I love melting lip balms. I'm obsessed with them. It almost melts down to like a silky jelly consistency. and like, well, not really jelly. It kind of feels like a lip oil. It is a really, really nice texture. It just feels really good on the lips. Feels like a nice silky lip oil type of texture. It just feels super luxurious. I love this. I love, love, love it. I kind of want to get, if they have like a deep red shade, I kind of want to get that because I feel like that would be perfect for fall, because kind of the cherry cola lip trend would be gorgeous, but just look at that shine. It's so reflective and has such a nice color to it. I love that. So really quickly, I just wanted to shout out other things that they gave me in the box. So by the way, I realized that sounded like I got this in PR. I did not get this in PR. I purchased this box with my own money. These were just some free gifts that were added with my purchase. I got some stickers, which were really cute. They gave me these strawberry, or no. The chocolate series stickers, and then they also gave me these, which are the Swan Ballet stickers. I just think these are adorable. They have ballerinas on them and a swan, and I don't know. I don't really like put stickers on many things, but these are so beautiful. I'm like, I can't just let them go to waste, you know? Our next thing that came in my thing was this little bow, which is really cute. I love this like icy blue color with the silver. It's just darling. It's so cute. Now the other thing, all of this is so cute. I feel like I've said so cute too many times, but these are adorable. But they're these tiny little powder puffs, and you get two. I'll actually just share the up close shot, but they have the little Flower Knows logo on them, and they are just adorable. Like, I don't know if I can use them actually because they are so cute. So very well done on these. So one of the things I got with this that they were giving out was the Flower Knows makeup bag. I'm not sure if they're still giving it out, but it's like this really cute metallic tweed, I feel like this is called. And it has this adorable pearl zipper. Seems like it could fit quite a bit. I was able to fit most of the Flower Knows products in here, but I think this is cute. I really wish that they would do more bags that you could like purchase. I also would love if they did some sort of a brush set that was themed with like all of their beautiful like transparent colored brushes. I just love them, and I think they're so cute. I can't even begin to tell you all how thrilled I was with this collection. First of all, I love that the quality just continues to get better and better with each launch. Like, I loved everything from the first launch, but I feel like everything has just continued to improve. Like the graphics and just, I don't know, I feel like they added more weight to the products. Like, I love how they look at every detail. The mirror, in love with. I believe this one is the cream mirror. They have a pink one, they have a blue one, I think they have a black one as well. I'm not sure. But I got the cream and I love it. I love the little pink swan on it. I just think it's so cute. I get compliments on these mirrors whenever I use them in a video. They're just the cutest. Next up, I absolutely loved, I really loved all of this. So I'm gonna say that each time, just letting you guys know. But I loved this eyeshadow palette so much. I loved the shimmer shades. Like, you look at them in the palette and they're kind of unassuming. Like, it's kind of like that friend you have that was really shy and then you brought them out of their shell and then they're like super fun and like have such a cool, interesting personality. But like on the surface, they're just like a little more reserved. I feel like that's how these shimmer shadows are. Like, you look at them and they're like, oh, they're cute, like they're pretty, they look great, but then you put them on the eye and it is like, bam, here I am, you're welcome, and I love that. So 10 out of 10 on the eyeshadow palette. So what I really enjoy about this collection and just as the brand has evolved is that they really put their heart and soul into each product and commit to making each one better. So love that. Next up, the blush. So it's a subtle blush. Like, normally I like more color in a blush, but I really love the formula of it. Like, it makes your cheek almost look like a silk fabric, but it's not too shiny either. It has just the tiniest amount of radiance. Like, when you look at the blush, you think it's a matte blush, but it's not. There's just a tiny bit of radiance. and it doesn't come off as sparkle or shimmer. It's simply radiant, and I love that. Next up, we have the lipstick. I loved this. This was such a beautiful formula. I love that it was a different formula. It wasn't a similar formula that they had done before. Like, it's this beautiful melting kind of lipstick style, and I just think it is so beautiful. I love the glossy shine it has. I feel like all lipsticks should look like this, frankly. I just think it looks so beautiful and flattering on everybody. It makes me want to get more because I just love this type of lipstick, and the packaging on this, like, I feel like this is actually metal. It looks almost like stainless steel on the bottom. Hard to tell though. It may be plastic, but I honestly don't know. It might be metal, so if it's plastic, they did an amazing job making it not seem like that. I love that even the cap has a good detail on it, just everything about it. I love it. That concludes our video for today. Kind of sad, but this was so fun to film. Like, I feel sad because I loved filming this and I loved trying everything. I almost wish I would have purchased more because I genuinely enjoyed everything from this collection, and I just wish I could like try every single piece, but those were the pieces I tried. And if you would like to try any of these products, I believe that they're doing a sale on their website right now, and you can also use my code Brooklyn for 5% off if you wish. But yeah, I'll have all of the products linked down below, so if you want to purchase any of these items, you can. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!